everybody, it's Las Vegas Bus Sales. Johnny Ringo here. Decided to show you one of my favorite buses, Bluebird All-Americans, 2010 Bluebird All-American. And check this out, this thing has a lot going on with it. Not just air ride and everything, but back there we're powered by that powerful Cummins ISC with an Allison transmission underneath. We've got plenty of headroom, clean mirror. I mean, this thing is good all the way around. Let's check it out. We got underbelly storage. Webasto, thank you, Dan. I forgot to say the Webasto. Oh, you know what? Actually, let's start here. We've got emergency exits on both sides. Check this out. One here, one over there. And then I'm going to show you this here. You got that. And then you've got this, which is a real treat. A lot of people love this. Underbelly storage. Look at that. I mean, this thing. Tires are looking good. We got plenty of meat on those. We can always provide you a tread depth for the tires. But back here's the part that I really get excited about. Look at this. Wow. Cummins ISC, that's awesome. You don't see those too often. That's a lot of power for this bus. And by the way, you might not notice, AC compressor. There's not one back here because there's not an AC on this bus, which is beneficial if you don't need it, or if that's not a concern to you. Less maintenance, that's for sure. We're looking good down this side. Of course, pass through underbelly storage. We got our emergency exit here. Diesel, this bus does take diesel. It's a 2010, so we've got a DPF on it, but we don't have DEF. A lot of the new after treatment, so it would not, for commercial purposes, wouldn't work in California. But everywhere else it would, and is a preferred bus. You don't want that new after treatment stuff. It's just a pain. Let's go inside and check it out. Driver's area looks good. Driver's seat looks great. Look at the instrument cluster, all the switches. They're all in great shape. We do have a Panasonic AM FM CD with PA mic. Webasto, there's your Webasto stuff. Hey, check this out. Look at this. We're cleaning air these days in buses. This has got the United Safety Survivability Corporation. Basically what this does is it kills all the COVID in the bus. We got one in the front, one in the rear. But look at these seats. Oh, look at this headroom. You know what? I love Bluebirds. Just check it out. What do you think of these seats, Dan? What do you rate them? I mean, those are, I'll let you say.
9.5.
9.5. Good looking seats. These are in great shape.
A little stitching coming apart here and there, but
yeah,
nothing major.
Yeah.
Great shape. Look at that.
Lots of headroom. Yeah, ceiling. And we got that noise suppression textured ceiling. What do they call it? Man, what a great bus. Bluebird, All-American. Pricing and availability, LasVegasBusSales.com, or call us 877-456-9804. It's a beautiful day in Las Vegas. Have a nice day.